Alright everyone, I'm here with another layout, and actually I did mix media on the back of this one. So my background is white Maswell cardstock, of course. I already have all my layers cut out because, of course, the cats were in the way to where I couldn't film as I measured and cut my layers out, so I had to go ahead and work on it. Or Mateo was scrapbooking in my spots, in my camera spots, so one of the two, I don't remember. And then that is the begonia, I think I wrote it down. No, but oh yeah, paint journaling card is begonia, American Crafts. And then the pink and white striped layer is Miss Modern Stamp Market. And then the orange polka dot behind the picture is Miss Modern Stamp Market. The blue circle there, the blue circle with white florals is Miss Modern Stamp Market. The black and white floral that's behind the picture is Pink Paisley's Paige Evans number 8, Fifth and Monaco. And then that black and white washi tape is from my stash, and the rainbow washi tape is the Miss Modern Stamp Market. And then I'm just going to go ahead and I was like, oh man, those fishtail banners were supposed to go behind the washi tape. But no big deal. Just pull it up and put it behind there. And then I got those puppy stickers, which are Amy Tangerine, and I did not write that down. Yes. Yeah, I did. They're Boss Puppy stickers. Those are cardstock stickers from the end that blowhorn as well. I've used 2 of them. That one says happy, and then I'm going to use another one that says best day, I believe, and that bike is Dear Lizzie. But anyway, the chipboard stickers that I use on the pink floral or blue floral circle are from the April kit. That's Maggie Holmes' Sweet Story. And then I Heart Summer is a phrase that I cut out of the American Crafts Sunshine Thickers. And then I use I think those stickers, the sticker of a girl tumbling and the phrase sticker, I think that must be Dear Lizzie as well. And once I have my title down, that is going to complete my layout. So when I have more done, and this is my last one I have done, I'm working on another one now, I'll be back. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.